In this video, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser closing instantly when opened on Windows Desktop PC. So if I go ahead and open up Brave, so I'm just going to do that by double clicking on the shortcut on my desktop. And you can see Brave browser opens up for a brief second and automatically closes instantly. This is usually caused by one of the Brave extensions that you have installed on your Brave Chromium browser. We will therefore need to open up Brave and disable or turn off your extensions. To force Brave to open, we're going to need to manipulate it a bit. First, find the Brave shortcut on your desktop, click and hold on it, and drag it to the taskbar below, and then let go. Your Brave browser shortcut will then be pinned to your taskbar. Once pinned, right-click on the taskbar shortcut, and then look for where it says New Private Window, and click on it. Brave browser then opens up in a private window, also known as Incognito window. In the search box at the very top, click on it, and then type the following: brave://extensions. Once you've typed this in, hit enter on your keyboard. You will now see all the extensions you have installed on your Brave browser. As you can see, I only have one extension installed. You don't need to remove it, but you do need to turn it off or toggle it off. Simply tap on the toggle, and you'll need to do that for each of your extensions. You can turn your extensions back on later once everything is working correctly. Once done, close out of the Brave browser and close out of the Brave private window also. Try to open back up Brave in the normal fashion that you do usually, so I'm just going to double click on my shortcut, and now it should open without any issues. And there you go, it's now working as expected, and you can toggle on your extensions again. If you want to unpin Brave from your taskbar, you can right click on the taskbar with your Brave icon and just click on unpin from taskbar. If this didn't work for you and you're still having difficulty, I'll put a link in the video description to the Brave's community support forum for desktop, and there'll be some additional instructions that you can troubleshoot through that might help you get your Brave browser working again. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to fix Brave browser closing it instantly when opened on Windows Desktop PC. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.